This is basically based on the current affairs of March to August, maybe, right? So the idea was that because of COVID, we have not been going into current affairs. So for that, we have picked this up. Okay, right? So इसमें topics हैं. Let me explain. थोड़ा सा तुम्हें theoretical background दे देता हूँ कि हमने कैसे topics बनाए थे इसके लिए. Okay, so as you know that EIA वाला तो काफी issue चल ही रहा है, right? है ना करण? So one is that we picked up EIA, the draft EIA, despite the fact it might not come in prelims. So I'm not expecting a prelims question on it, but you know you would expect कि mains में इस पे question आ सकता है. Okay, right? So is what really I wanted people to know. So the idea is not to actually check, right, whether you can answer this question. But I want to, you know, basically give you information. So normally in our test, what will happen is that we will have correct choices most of the time. Okay, that is our plan. Okay, so obviously, if you look at the first question with the reference to a draft EIA notification, consider the following statements. So first is all India water projects and expansion / widening of water national highways. ठीक है? I think पढ़ा हुआ है सबने ये? Not an issue. ठीक है मनप्रीत, करण?
Yes, sir.
Now, draft also exempts most construction building up to build-up area of 1,50,000 square kilometer. Yes, it does. And ये बड़ा interesting है सबसे जो मतलब जिस पे सबसे ज़्यादा you know I would say controversy है this year. The draft relies on violators to disclose the you know information that they broke the law. Like this is very absurd, right? कि मैं खुद ही बताऊंगा कि मैंने violate किया था environmental law, and then there is a you know very minimal price that okay जैसे मैंने 1,000 रुपए या 2-3 हज़ार रुपए या 5,000 रुपए इस टाइप का फाइन है, right? Depending upon the various things that violations you might have. So answer is D. First का.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think not a problem with this. Then next one, contempt of court. Now contempt of court has been in news, right, because of Prashant Bhushan and his remarks on the CGIs, right, where there is a debate and he was asked to tender an apology, right? He said, I only criticized, right? He said that there's nothing to be apologetic about. Okay, so isme very interestingly, what what we did was that we changed this. So it's Article 129 and not 130. Okay, so this is something a little tricky. 215 is correct, and civil contempt is obviously when someone willfully disobeys an order or willfully takes undertaking. Okay, so answer would be 2 and 3. That is C. So second answer is C. Okay, everybody okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which of the following statements is not correct regarding 9th schedule? It was added by the first constitutional amendment in 1951. This is correct. I think everybody knows this. So 9th schedule again is in news. Why it was in news? Because I think Ram Vilas Paswan son or him, they said that put reservation under 9th schedule. Because there was this, so the Supreme Court had actually said that reservation is not a fundamental right. Okay, so Ram Vilas Paswan said that it is time that we put in the 9th schedule, and his son that is. Okay, so it was first. So 9th schedule was created for land reforms. I think everybody knows this,
Yes, sir.
right? Then Jawaharlal Nehru, obviously, that's also correct. Then inclusion of law requires a special majority. That's also true. I think this is wrong. D. This is for anti-defection. Right? The Kyoto
Yes.
Holohan case is for anti-defection, right? I think you should be aware of this. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for the next one. Question number 4, with reference to the governor, which of the following statements are true? The governor's power under Article 175 to prorogue. So again, यहाँ पे भी again. So it's 174, not 175. So this is wrong, right? Okay. Now, the idea is that there's certain types of, articles that you should be very comfortable with. So these we're talking about. Then obviously governors can take special powers, or they have special powers to advance tribal welfare, and this is in fifth and sixth schedule. Okay, right. So two only B, fourth is B, right, and the third was D, right. Okay. Everybody okay with here till now? Now, governor क्यों डाला था हमने? So the idea is that discretionary power, because of the Rajasthan governor acting in a very weird way, right? So the governor's power obviously should be exercised. So this has been, even in the Supreme Court cases, this has been explained that this is true. But the governor of Rajasthan behaved in an unconstitutional manner. So, the idea was that discretionary powers of the governor. Okay. Then next is which of the following statements are correct regarding a chemical named ammonium nitrate? So I think everybody knows of the Beirut blast, and this is the question based on that, right? So ammonium nitrate, it is a predominantly used in agriculture as a nitrogen fertilizer. That is true. ANFO, ANFO बोलते हैं, is a mixture of 94% ammonium nitrate and 6% fuel oil. ये bulk industrial explosive है काफी, commonly used explosive है. So answer is C. So fifth is C. Ammonium nitrate. Okay. यहाँ तक everybody okay? First five में कोई doubt? Okay. So as I said, first का क्या answer है? Let's to have a look. First is D. Then we have C. Then D. Then B. Then C. Okay. Okay. Now the question is on EWS quota. So, despite the fact that it is old news, there was a recent newspaper article that the Supreme Court is going to hear the cases regarding it. Right. So, the constitutional 124th Amendment 2019 was introduced by Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Tawar Chand Gehlot, right, in January 8, 2019, which the following statements is true regarding the constitutional amendment. So the idea is that the bill seeks to amend Article 14 to additionally permit the government to provide for advancement of economically weaker sections. Okay. Right. So इसमें भी again same problem. So it's not Article 14. Right. So the idea is that it's Article 15, 16, which were amended. Right. Okay. So first is wrong. Reservation will not apply to, that's true. It is given in the bill, and the bill amends Article 16. That is correct. So 3 only. B. Okay. Everybody. Right. Next, go for the next one. Now, this is from world history, and this was specifically put for the reason that UPSC tries to throw a couple of आप बताओ.
सर सिक्स्थ का आंसर की में ए दिया हुआ है.
ओ गलती से लग गया होगा. ए 2 and 3 दिया हुआ है. अच्छा हाँ नहीं ठीक है, यू राइट. ए ओके. मैंने ध्यान जल्दी में आई रेड विल अप्लाई, विल नॉट अप्लाई इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, आंसर इज ए ओनली. Okay. Now, question number 7. Which of the following explorer and countries are correctly matched? H.M. Stanley, Congo. Cecil Rhodes, South Africa. Pierre Savournagan de Brazza, Kenya. So, Karan, any idea?
P1 and 2.
So, Brazza was Congo as well, right? So, French Congo. He was basically famous for. Cecil Rhodes, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Rhodesia, basically South and North Rhodesia. Stanley, obviously. So answer is B. 7th is B, right? So the idea is this is a surprise question. in our test series, where we have asked question from world history, which normally would not come, but obviously UPSC is used to throwing in a surprise. Because I remember during our time in 2009, right, in our prelims, a question came on the Yom Kippur War. Okay, so that is the reason we have talked about it. Okay, now the question is, which of the following are left bank type tributaries of Brahmaputra? ये important है, left bank and right bank. So normally they will ask you, left bank or right bank tributaries. So here you should be very, very clear with the map. So what do you say, Karan?
Yes. Sir, C1, 2, and 5.
Okay. Okay now. And why do you think so?
सर बिकॉज सर मनास तो सर ऊपर से आ रही है ना, वो भूटान वाली साइड से।
ठीक है।
सर वो राइट बैंक होगी तो सर वो एलिमिनेट हो रहा है सर 3।
ठीक है ना। So idea is that Manas and Jal Dhaka are right bank tributaries. So you negate them to 3 and 4 go. So the answer only can be C. So 8 is C. Right. So this is something again. This was asked because there were floods in the. The connotation was that. Okay. Now comes the most famous question. I would say legislative councils. Now, this is something, again, we want to give information and we want people who are giving the test to, revise this. The idea behind that is that we want that because of the controversy, right, that was there due to Uddhav Thackeray's, right, because there could not have been any elections, and he was supposed to be nominated to the MLC, and there was a huge controversy whether such voting could have been taken place. So this is there. Okay, so which of the following statements are true regarding legislative councils under the Indian Constitution? So Parliament may by law provide for abolition of legislative council of a state having a council if the legislative assembly of a state passes a resolution to the effect by majority of the total membership of the assembly and by majority not less 2/3 of the members present and voting. So this is exactly picked up from the Constitution. This is correct, right? So can somebody tell me which article this is? Karan? Anyone? Can somebody tell me which article is it? Just Google search if you can't.
162, I think, sir.
Okay, you're saying it's Article 162. Okay, just check kar lo. Article 162 you're saying?
No, sir, ये तो नहीं लग रहा।
क्या है फिर बताओ?
169.
169. Okay. And what about the next one? What is that? So next statement is the total number of members in legislative council of a state of having such a council shall not exceed 1/3 of the total members of the.
170.
This is 170. Okay, then governor may nominate members to the legislative council from people having experience of special knowledge of.
So 171 actually, sir.
Okay, 171 you're saying. Okay, and ये literature, science, art, cooperative movement and social services वाला कौन सा?
Sir, I think, sir, 175, I think, so let's cross check.
Okay, right, give me a second. Okay, so the Constitution of India, let's have a look. So let's have a look at this. So here is Article 171. This talks about composition, right? So this is one which we picked up right here. The 1/3 of the total number of members of the legislative assembly. This is here, right? And here in this itself, in 171 itself, in the last one. So 171/5 we have this. Okay, so you should be very careful with this, right? And then 169 is the abolition or creation of legislative council. Okay, so 171 both of them. Okay, so answer is obviously D, right? The idea is that this is supposed to be an educative question, right? More than anything else, right? So prepare legislative council as a topic. We do expect a question on that on prelims. Okay, so then the next is obviously which of the following have been accorded geographical indicators status. So I think we did go through this. Gorakhpur terracotta, Manipur black rice, Mathugala, all of them are recently been given GI. So the answer is obviously D, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do make a list. So the idea is that make a list of what items have been given GI. Right? Okay. Then we have this question of honey hunting, age-old skill practiced by the Sher Dupken tribe, and this is they are from Arunachal, and they were in news because there was this the movie made on them, and that won some prize. Okay, I think you might have heard about that. Have you seen that article? Any
Yes.
of you?
Yeah.
Right. So I think just to show you. Yeah, so the film documenting this one. This was the news, right? Chi Lupo, right? Recently won the best documentary at the 10th Dadasaheb Phalke Award Festival, right? So because of this, this is there. This question was asked. Okay. Then we have something on convalescent plasma therapy, right? And both of them are correct, both, right? So, but the idea that plasma therapy is in news, I think a lot of us have been reading about plasma banks. Delhi government started a plasma bank. So, convalescent plasma therapy is based on the premise that the blood of a patient who has recovered from COVID-19 contains antibodies with specific ability to fighting the novel coronavirus. So, this is correct. And convalescent plasma therapy carries a risk of transmission. Very low risk, but there is a risk. So answer is C, so 12C. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Tianwen, again recently launched by China. Right. Obviously, it's a interplanetary mission to Mars, along with Hope and Perseverance. Right. Objectives obviously are to search for evidence of past life, etc. Easy question. In case it's Taiwan, I think you can even guess that it's China because the name is Chinese. It's like so. 13 is C. Very easy question, but the idea is that we just wanted you to just keep this in mind that this can be asked. Okay. They might give you a tough question on the same concept. They might do a match the following with Hope, Perseverance, and Taiwan. Right? Something like that. Okay. Which of the following statements are true regarding coronaviruses? There are group of related RNA viruses which cause diseases in mammals. True. Human coronavirus obviously, are continuously circulating in the human population, and they produce mild symptoms. Common cold. Both of them are correct. Okay, so 14 is. The common cold is also a type of coronavirus, right? So it has a different. It is not called right, COVID-19. That is. Okay, which is with ministry is in charge of implementing the MP-LAD scheme. So MP-LAD scheme was subsumed for I think a couple of years, right? And this is B. Okay, which of the following statements are true regarding the Arogya Setu app? It is an Indian open source COVID-19 contact tracing syndromic mapping self-assessment digital device. True. Big bug bounty program to ensure transparency and integrity. True. So both of them are correct. So there was a lot of controversy on the Arogya Setu app, right? So we thought that maybe we can talk about that. They might ask you a very simple question based on the usage of Arogya Setu. So they might ask you what are the features, right, inside Arogya Setu app as well in the exam. Then we have the blast in Vishakhapatnam. So the LG polymers, I think you would remember there was this styrene gas. So the question is, which of the following statements are not true regarding styrene gas, right? So styrene will polymerize spontaneously to polystyrene. That is correct. The presence of vinyl group allows. True. So I think everybody knows what styrene looks like. This is what styrene looks like. Those from non-medical background would remember it. It does not evaporate easily and has a bad odor. No, it has a sweet odor. It has a nice odor and it evaporates easily. So this is incorrect. And styrene occurs in small amounts in some plants and food. That's correct. So the answer is C. Okay. Then the next question again. This is on desert locust. So, which of the following statements are true regarding desert locust? So, a single female desert locust says 60 to 80 breaks thrice during its roughly 90-day life. True. Menkenu and Luban cyclonic storms of May and October, which struck Oman, seem to have caused the present upsurge. Both of them are correct. 18 is C. Okay. Right. So, if you read the Indian Express explained, so this was there. Okay, then we have 19 questions again, but this is on SARS. So this is severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus. Okay, so it developed a positive sense double strands. It's a single strand. Okay, so you have to be careful with the fact that coronavirus is a single strand RNA virus. So one is incorrect. Automatically, answer becomes 2 and 3. Right, just to have an idea. The virus enters the host by binding to the angiotensin converting enzyme 2, and it affects humans, bats, palm cells, etc. So 19 is EP. Okay. The next is, which of the following statement is true regarding Moody? So Moody again downgrading and whatnot. I think yesterday even Fitch was in news, right? So Moody rates debt securities in several segments related to public and commercial securities in the bond market, and obviously competitors are S&P and Fitch. So easy question, both 1 and 2. Let's see. Any doubts still here? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Right. Well, so did you find any tough with the question? Because problem, I tried to make them easy only, with some variations. Right. The idea is that I wanted to just to check whether you had studied current affairs in the past couple of months or not. Right. Okay. Which of the following statements are true regarding the PM Garib Kalyan Yojana? It is a scheme launched by Narendra Modi-led government of India in 2016. It is an opportunity to declare unaccounted wealth, black money, back. So what do you say about this? Now, it is very easy to confuse it with the Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana and all that, right? So again, a lot of people can actually take D here, okay? But the answer is obviously C, right? So this is an old scheme. This was done during demonetization, right? So 21 is C. Then we have a question regarding the Mount Harriet National Park. It is situated in the Andaman Islands, not the Nicobar. So first is incorrect. Automatically answer becomes 2 and 3. Obviously, Andaman wild pigs, saltwater crocodiles, turtle, robber crabs are found in this picture on the backside of P20 notes is there. Yeah. Okay, I think we wrote that even in our class notes. So 22nd. The next one is with reference to tropical cyclone, which of the following statement is correct? Karnataka is less prone to tropical cyclone than to Odisha. Yeah, I think that's correct. Amravati is less prone to disaster from tropical cyclone than Visakhapatnam. Is more prone, or it's incorrect, right? Visakhapatnam is more prone. So answer is A. I think okay with this 23rd A.
Yes, sir.
I think everybody understands the reasons for this as well. बताओ.
सर 20 रुपीस के नोट के पीछे एलोरा केस नहीं है
यार वो दूसरी वाला दो पुराना नोट पे हैरियट है. Okay, then we have bladderworts, Aldrovanda and Drosera, flora species हैं. Which of the following is a trait common to them? ये insectivorous plants हैं, all of them. I just wanted to check whether you have an idea about them. Okay. So you can watch videos if you like on that, right? Like pitcher plant is another one of them, right? The blue vanda वगैरह हमने किया था, जो 6th schedule में आता है, वो Aldro vanda का type है. Then we have on question number 25, Yakshagana, which is the famous traditional theatre of dance and music, correct? It's based on mythological stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata. It is from the state of Karnataka. So a question on culture finally, right? So Yakshagana. So answer is B. Any questions in these 5? Doubts or something?
No, sir.
सर
हाँ.
ये न्यूज में था सर, ब्लैडर वॉर्स एल्ड्रोवेंडा टॉसेका।
नहीं ये बेसिकली मैंने इसलिए डाला था बिकॉज इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स पे क्वेश्चन अभी इतना आया नहीं है. शेड्यूल वाइल्ड लाइफ जो एक्ट है ना उसके बेसिस पे डाला था. वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन इनवेसिव स्पीसीज न्यूज पे थी. So I was making a question on that, but then I decided not to do that. I was like, कि पहले भी टेस्ट में invasive species पे आया हुआ है, right? There were few invasive species पे news आई हुई थी. Okay. Okay. Then we have a question on microfinance institutions. Right. So what do you say about this one? Did anybody try this question? Yes. No. So the statement is the primary objective is poverty elevation via inclusive growth and financial inclusion. True. So MFI कौन होते हैं? जैसे बंधन बैंक नहीं है, right? या कोई भी बैंक, मतलब MFI होता है जो gives self-help groups NGOs. Then we have women account for 97%. That is also true. And presently GST लगता है 18% का. क्या लगता है? ये check कर लो बस. I'm pretty sure about 1 and 2. 3 का मुझे डाउट है.
1 and 2 सर लग रहा है मुझे.
एक बार चेक कर लो. D. I am guessing D, but I think लगता है GST 18%. As far as I know, because banking ये regulation है. हाँ बताओ.
सर गूगल पे लिखा there is no GST on loans from banks, hence the same should not apply to loans taken from MFIs. तो होगा मतलब GST तो.
हाँ अच्छा ये do away with. नहीं ये विश लिस्ट है, ये हुआ नहीं है.
ओके.
विश लिस्ट पे बुला ये, तो बस ये है.
12% लिखा है सर, aim down to 12%. नहीं सर, let me check.
नहीं हर जी नहीं कारण तो आर्टिकल बोल रहा
स्लैब कौन सी है इसमें थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन है.
दे वांट लोअर जीएसटी रेट बट कुछ हुआ नहीं है.
जीएसटी में अगर जितने का लोन सैंक्शन करते हैं ना ये उससे 2-3 हज़ार कम ही देते हैं.
ये मतलब एमएफआई पे है. Okay. Anyhow, next let's go for the next one. Then we have mass perseverance. So 7 instruments हैं. हाँ जी कोई बताएगा 7 instruments? मनप्रीत, name the 7 instruments on Mars perseverance. Yes.
Sorry sir, not able to recall.
हमने नोट्स में लिखा है ना, whole notes. Remember हमने बनाया था. Yes, no.
Yes sir, recall.
बोल खोल. Open the notes and tell me. Okay, rover is accompanied by helicopter ingenuity. ये तो पता ही होना चाहिए कि एक हेलीकॉप्टर है वो उठा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भी ले जाएगा इसको. So that is actually pretty cool about the Mars perseverance. Both of them are correct, just to let you know. But कौन से साथ हैं नोट्स खोलो.
सर एक्स-रे स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर है. तो वैटसन नाम का कैमरा है. अल्ट्रावायलेट स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर. Weather station is there. And
Okay.
तो कैमरा is there. Laser microwave.
Okay, करण तूने ये किया है परसेवरेंस प्रॉपर्ली कवर?
सर रीडिंग की हुई है मैंने सर, ऐसे प्रॉपर्ली नहीं किया मैंने.
देख करण प्रॉपर आंसर लिख लो बिकॉज पीसीएस में ना एक बार क्यूरियोसिटी के पूछ लिए थे सारे पेलोड्स के नाम. ठीक है, तो द आइडिया इज दैट रिटन में आगे तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. ऑब्जेक्टिव में तो चल जाएगा कि ओके साथ याद है हमने देखे होंगे. ओके अच्छा स्वाइन अफ्रीकन स्वाइन फीवर रिसेंटली हर्ड इन न्यूज. हाँ जी पंजाब में होया सी. एनीबडी क्या व्यूज हैं? इट इज अ लार्ज डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए वायरस ऑफ द एस्प्रा विरिविडेई फैमिली. करेक्ट. वायरल फीवर है, एक्यूट हेमोरेजिक फीवर होता है इससे. दोनों करेक्ट है. 28 का सी. ये अभी रिसेंटली न्यूज था बिकॉज ऑफ एक तो असम वगैरह में है ये. आई थिंक पंजाब में भी हो गया था बिकॉज पिग्स आ गए थे.
सर पंजाब में
Right?
ऐसे नहीं था कि पंजाब की इंडस्ट्री को बूस्ट मिल गया था क्योंकि पंजाब वाले बच गए थे।
हाँ, ये ऐसा कुछ था। एक मिनट रुक जा जरा, लेट मी सी। अफ्रीकन स्वाइन फ्लू, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस। Okay, so this is the article. हाँ, so 2000 सितंबर में आउटब्रेक हुई थी चाइना में, right? So it has come to other parts of the world. Idea ASF came to Tibet, into Arunachal and to Assam. ठीक है ना? ये है। So basically it talks about the fact ASF है क्या, right? Fertility, इसकी fertility 100% है। Acute hemorrhagic fever होता है इससे। You can go through this article and how it is different from swine flu. Assam government क्या करी, ये सब है इसके। Go for the next question. Consider the following items: sanitizers, chicken, eggs cooked, sanitary fish processed and canned, and sanitary pads. GST exempt कौन-कौन है? Yes, Karan. So
सर
sanitary
मैंने
pads हैं
तो
और 2 and 4 तो हैं ही हैं।
सर मैंने 3
Sanitizer
एलिमिनेट
बिल्कुल
किया
नहीं है
था
तो
बस।
C और D तो गया। ठीक है ना? ओके, सैनिटाइजर तो नहीं है तो C और D तो गया। नाउ यू नो चिकन एग्स कुक, मतलब जो अंडे वाला है वो जीएसटी नहीं देता है भाई, जो ठेले पे बैठा है, तो ऑब्वियसली 2 तो ठीक है, बट दोनों में ही है। ओके, नाउ द ओनली थिंग इज दैट 3 फिश प्रोसेस्ड एंड कैंड पे जीएसटी है कि नहीं है? व्हाट डू यू से? 5% है, कितना है
सर जीएसटी इस पे 12%।
हाँ, सो देयर इज सम जीएसटी देयर, सो आंसर इज बी। ओके, so this type of question can be asked, but all I think a similar question has been asked previously, so utna shayad na hai. Let's go for the next one. Which of the following statements is true regarding the phenomena heat waves? Regarding तो heat wave होता क्या, उसकी definition दे रखी है, which when the day temperature jumps by 4 to 5 degrees above normal, it is triggered as a heat wave. सही बात है। And cyclone Amphan की वजह से heat waves आई हैं, that is also correct. So both of them are correct. So answer is A. 30th is. Okay. ये पढ़ा हुआ है सबने कि नहीं, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कि साइक्लोन अम्फन की वजह से? ये इंडियन एक्सप्रेस एक्सप्लेन पेज पे था। यस नो?
ये सर पढ़ा है, साइक्लोन एंटी साइक्लोन में पढ़ा है इसको, जिसमें वो सारी साइक्लोन्स बनती है ना, पूरल, हेडली और फेरल, उसमें पता है।
Okay, confusing what you're saying, but okay. Anyhow, which of the following statements are true regarding Dadabhai Naroji? So Dadabhai Naroji was in news, उनका बर्थडे भी था। So क्या-क्या सही है? His book Poverty and British Rule brought attention to the Indian wealth drain into Britain. He was thrice elected as the president of INC in 1886, 1893, and 1906. That is also correct. And he was a member of the Second International. That's also correct. So answer is D. So ये हो सकता है पता ना हो, राइट? सो ये ऑब्वियसली इंपॉर्टेंट है ऐसे क्वेश्चंस, जैसे अम्बेडकर, दादा भाई नारोजी, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, इन सब पे क्वेश्चंस ऑब्वियसली हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू करेक्ट अबाउट हर्ड इम्यूनिटी? सो हर्ड इम्यूनिटी होती क्या है? ये काफी न्यूज में, हर्ड इम्यूनिटी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज that occurs when the large population of large percentage of population becomes immune to infection. That's correct. Then we have herd immunity does not apply to all diseases. This is, I think, correct. Mass vaccination to produce herd immunity is a common practice. This is correct. जैसे टेटनस पे नहीं है, so टेटनस में आपको लगाना ही पड़ेगा इंजेक्शन, ये नहीं है कोई हर्ड इम्यूनिटी नहीं होती उसमें। Okay, so there are diseases in this with herd immunity नहीं होती। So 32 का D. Okay, so which of the following statements is true regarding the Emirates Mars mission? So this is the HOPE mission. It was developed by MBRSC and the Laboratory of Atmospheric and Space Physics (LASP) at University of Colorado Boulder, with support from Arizona University and University of California, Berkeley. This is correct, right? And HOPE was the first of 4 missions. No, 3, not 4. Okay. Right, so both of them So answer becomes 1 only, A. 33 is it. Okay. Then rollover risk, recently mentioned in the economic surveys regarding the NBFC crisis, right? Because what happens in rollover risk is that you have taken short-term debt and you're using it to finance long-term debt. Okay, so NBFC companies, right, have given loans for, let's say, 20 years, right, and they're expecting some kind of return. But on the other hand, how they're financing it, they're financing using some 5-year, 2-year bonds. So every 5-year, 2-year, they'll need money, right? So that is the difficulty they have, which led to the NBFC crisis in Dewan Housing and other places. Then question number 35, which of the following statement is true regarding comet Neowise? It is a short period. No, it's a long period comet with near parabolic orbit discovered by Wide. So everything else is correct. So, but first one is wrong. Under dark size, it could be seen. And I think I even sent a picture. So the answer is 2 only. 35 is B. यहाँ तक ठीक है सबका?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Karan, कोई doubt? Ashwini?
No, sir.
Then we have this thing. There was an ordinance, right? The Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion Facilitation Ordinance. So what it did was it provided for barrier-free trade of farmers' produce outside the market, notified under the various state agriculture produce market laws. And intra-state and interstate farmer produce outside the physical premises of market runs by the APMC. It prohibits state government levy. ये काफी controversial था, इस पे झगड़ा भी हो रहा था काफी. ये आप मार्केट फी जो आपने बोला कि नहीं करोगे, ये गलत है, ठीक है ना? ये पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने इसके अगेंस्ट किया था काफी. ये अभी ऑर्डिनेंसेस हुए, 2 ऑर्डिनेंस थे, प्लीज दोनों पढ़ लेना. एक फार्मर प्रोड्यूस ट्रेड कॉमर्स ऑर्डिनेंस है, एक और है इसके साथ वाला. Has everybody gone through this? ये जो agriculture reforms हुए recently. Then we have a Bitcoin question, standard question. I think I just wanted everybody to revise. So it's a decentralized currency without a central bank or a single administrator that can be sent from a user to user or peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. That is correct. Transactions are verified through cryptography and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. This is also correct. This is I tried to ask this question. Reason was that the Twitter Bitcoin thing happened, right? But they might ask you a tough question on Bitcoin addresses and all that. So एक बार go through कर लेना, ठीक है? वो Bitcoin वाला Twitter scam देखा था ना सबने? Right? Kim Kardashian, Elon Musk सबके tweet पे आया हुआ था. He send me money on this number and I'll double. Okay, then we have Ek Bharat Sheth Bharat initiative. This was announced on 31st October 2015, correct? Vallabhbhai Patel ki birth anniversary पे किया था, right? Through this innovative measure, the knowledge of tradition, culture, and practices of different states and UTs will be embraced to embrace understanding, bonding between states, thereby strengthening the unity. Correct. So Unity Day पे किया था. ये काफी चल भी रहा था अभी अचानक. These days also भी even during COVID, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत काफी initiative चल रहा था. I think we have posted a lot of links on our channel on this. Hagia Sophia, I think everybody knows. कहाँ पे है? Everyone?
Turkey.
Turkey, sir.
Turkey. It was first a church, then became a museum, then became a mosque, then became a museum. Now again is a mosque. So, right. It has a wonderful life. Okay. Now, the next is, which of the following statements is true regarding the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, PMGKAY? So, it is a food security scheme announced by the government of India during COVID-19 pandemic, correct? PMGK provides 5 kg of rice or wheat per person and 1 kg of dal holding a ration card. सही है दोनों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 5 kg rice.
ठीक है ना? Okay, let's go over next one. Operation Twist. Yes, Karan, where are you?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ऑपरेशन ट्विस्ट क्या होता है?
सर ऑपरेशन ट्विस्ट में क्या होता है कि ना सर जो लॉन्ग टर्म होती है ना सर उसके बॉन्ड्स सर उसकी यील्ड कम कर देते हैं।
हम्म।
तो सर तो इन्वेस्टर्स उसमें से पैसा निकाल के सर दोनों सर क्योंकि सर वो यील्ड कम हो जाती है तो वो कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड्स की तरफ ज्यादा चलने लग जाते
ऐसे नहीं है, देख। सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, तो बॉन्ड्स हैं हमारे काफी अलग अलग टाइप के। सो 10 ईयर बॉन्ड होता है, राइट? अब लेट्स से 6.8% पे मैंने खरीद लिया 10 ईयर बॉन्ड, करण ने 100 करोड़ का खरीदा था, 6 पॉइंट 10 साल के बाद, और मुझे इंटरेस्ट मिलता है इसमें 100 करोड़, मुझे मतलब जो प्रिंसिपल है वो लास्ट में ही मिलता है, ठीक है ना, राइट? अब इसमें क्या हुआ कि मैं, बिकॉज रेपो गिरा दिया मैंने, रेपो आ चुका 4%, तो इतना गैप नहीं हो सकता बिटवीन लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म बॉन्ड, ठीक है, राइट? शॉर्ट टर्म बॉन्ड है 4% का मेरा। अब मैंने ये क्या बोला कि अब सो व्हाट डू आई डू, आई से दैट आई विल बाय ओल्ड बॉन्ड्स, सो आई विल बाय द 10 ईयर बॉन्ड जो पुराने वाले हैं, और मैं तुझे 100 करोड़ आज ही दे दूंगा, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर वेरी हैप्पी टू गेट द मनी टुडे, बिकॉज तेरे पैसे फंसे हुए थे, सो यू नॉर्मली विल सेल देम, ठीक है ना, राइट? बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू माइट नीड मनी, एंड ऑलवेज मनी टुडे इज बेटर देन मनी टुमारो, ओके? तो आज ही पैसे वापस मिल गए तुझे, एंड व्हाट यू डिड, basically you were buying these bonds and selling short term bonds instead. तो instead of that what were you doing कि अब 100 करोड़ का मैं शॉर्ट टर्म बॉन्ड 4% पे बेच रहा हूँ, ये होगा 2 साल के लिए, 1 साल के लिए, 5 साल के लिए से, और जो 10 साल वाले हैं, 30 साल वाले हैं, वो मैं खरीद रहा हूँ जिनकी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट काफी हाई है। क्लियर ऑन दैट? क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 41 is C. Okay. 41 is C. It is a simultaneous purchase and sale of government securities. So purchase of long-term bonds and sale of short-term bonds under OMOs. Second, open market operations. They Tuesday को होते हैं. Now after operation twist, yield of central bank long-term securities fell in the market. Yes, they will obviously because मैंने बाकी सब तो बेच ही दिए ना लॉन्ग टर्म के, ठीक है ना, सिक्योरिटीज खरीद लिए सारे, तो बचा ही नहीं कोई मार्केट में। अब जो है वो नया वाला है जो सस्ता है, ठीक है ना, जो नया वाला बॉन्ड होगा वो ऑब्वियसली 5% पे होगा, 5.5 पे होगा, एक्सेट्रा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन एलिफेंट्स। याद है एलिफेंट मर गए थे, कहाँ मरे थे एलिफेंट? बोट्सवाना में।
यस सर।
So Okavango Delta. So this is the reason this was asked. Okay, so 42-1 and is correct. ये तो पक्का है। अब नेक्स्ट बताओ, सनाया पेंसुला कहाँ पे है? इजिप्ट है ना। एंड देन पायासिनो लेक हमने किया था, बताओ ये कहाँ का है, ये क्यों है न्यूज में? एनीबॉडी? पायासिनो लेक क्यों न्यूज में? Okay, so remember there was this oil जो गिर गया था?
रसिया में जो स्पिल हो गया था ऑयल।
हाँ, ऑयल स्पिल था जो रिवर अंबरनेहा में था, तो पायासिनो लेक में जाती है, तो इसलिए। तो आंसर इज 1 and 3. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Which of the following statements is true? Lightning is a naturally occurring static discharge between two electrically charged regions in the atmosphere or ground. Correct. Volcanic lightning can occur. Yes, that's also correct. 43C, ठीक है। Which of the following statements is true? अच्छा, ये वाला क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको हाईलाइट कर लो। Office of the Election Commissioner mentioned in the Constitution of India. हाँ, so is the state election commissioner appointed by the governor? ये बताना करेक्ट है और कौन सा आर्टिकल है?
सर करेक्ट है।
ओके, आर्टिकल कौन सा है? आर्टिकल 243 में होगा। 243 कौन सा है या आगे क्या है? खोल लो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
के है सर, आई थिंक।
नहीं, आंसर तो सी मतलब डी ही है।
नहीं सर, के आर्टिकल 243 के।
हाँ, के होना चाहिए मोस्ट प्रोबेबली। अश्विनी के ही है ना?
एक सेकंड सर, मैं सर लक्ष्मीकांत खोल लिया था, मैं आर्टिकल्स वो खोल लूं।
अरे वैसे गूगल कर ले 243 के। बेयर ऐप खोला करो, क्या खोलते रहते हो?
हाँ सर, वो ही उठाया पीछे से मैंने, बगल में लक्ष्मीकांत रखी थी, मैंने वही खोल दी, तो उसमें तो
लक्ष्मीकांत के एंड में दे रखा है, एंड में सारे आर्टिकल मेंशन है।
मैंने चैप्टर में देख डाला, उसमें ऐसा कुछ मेंशन मिला नहीं।
ओके, सो ये सारे आर्टिकल बताना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, यस सर।
ये कौन सा आर्टिकल है? 243 के। ये न्यूज में क्यों था? बिकॉज ऑफ ऑब्वियसली आंध्र प्रदेश में जो इशू हुआ था, ठीक है ना, जगन मोहन रेड्डी tried to remove, or he actually removed the state election commissioner. उसने उसका टर्म ही कम कर दिया था। तो ये violation was done of this कि आप बाद में नहीं आप वेरी कर सकते, ठीक है ना? ओके, ठीक है ना, सबको मिल गया?
यस सर।
जस्ट टू हैव अ लुक, एक सेकंड। ये कंट्रोवर्सी है ना, एक मिनट ओपन कर लो। So this is the one. So 243K provision regarding, so this is the article referred to, ठीक है ना? And elections to municipalities ZP, ठीक है ना? Right, Andhra Pradesh High Court has termed the appointment of Justice V. Kanaraj as State Election Commissioner objectionable, ठीक है ना? So the idea is that ये वाली स्लाइड्स गो थ्रू कर लेना प्लीज, पड़ी हुई हैं ग्रुप पे, ठीक है ना? वीडियो भी है इसके बारे में, मतलब APSCC रमेश कुमार basically was sacked and he was
yes.
Okay, which is the next one? Next question is 45. Who releases the GTI? This was in news because Niti Aayog was really angry about this report. Does everyone remember this?
Yes, sir.
अश्विनी, कौन निकालता है GTI?
सर कंफर्म नहीं हूँ सर, एक सेकंड।
क्लास में किया है, बताओ ना। प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट खोल के किए ये, तो ये भी नहीं कि जस्ट सिर्फ एक कर्सरी ग्लांस थी। नीति आयोग क्रिटिसाइज दिस। और कितना रैंक है इंडिया का? Karan, what do you say?
हाँ
7 रैंक है सर इंडिया का।
हाँ?
7।
ऑस्ट्रेलिया IEP,
क्या कह रहे हो यार?
इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉर इकोनॉमिक्स एंड पीस।
हाँ, ठीक है ना, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड पीस। ठीक है ना, ग्लोबल टेररिज्म राइट, GTI, ओके। एंड
2017 में 8 थी और 2019 में
8, ठीक है ना,
7th कर दी।
इंडिया से ऊपर सिर्फ अफगानिस्तान, इराक, नाइजीरिया, सीरिया, पाकिस्तान और सोमालिया ही है। ये हमने किया था डिटेल में, ठीक है?
भी याद है
और नीति आयोग ने काफी इसके अगेंस्ट बोला था, राइट? सो नीति आयोग ने तो पूरा डिकोडिंग ये पूरी डिटेल में आर्टिकल दिया कि ये गलत है भाई।
30 अप्रैल का, यस सर।
45 is इसमें मेंस क्वेश्चन आ सकता है सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज में से परसेप्शन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया इज डिक्लाइनिंग इस टाइप का कोई क्वेश्चन ठीक है राइट सो मेंस क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस हो सकता है सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज के लिए ऑन दिस देन इज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर पार्ट ऑफ द ओपेक यस कौन कौन है आकरण ओपेक के पार्ट
सर अल्जीरिया अंगोला
रशिया नामक अंकल तो नहीं है
यस
उनको तो कांटा मार
यस यस
रशिया नहीं है तो ये दोनों गए अब आंसर बचा ए और बी में से बता दो भाई ठीक है ना नाइजीरिया तो है ही है तो ए गया और आंसर हो गया हमारा ओके अच्छा क्या सबको याद है ओपेक की पार्ट की कंट्रीज की कौन सी है हाँ करण कौन सी कंट्रीज हैं ओपेक में ओपेक प्लस एंड ओपेक की कंट्रीज याद होनी चाहिए
सर ओपेक में तो सर अल्जीरिया अंगोला कॉन्गो इक्वेटोरियल गिनी गैबन ईरान इराक कुवैत लीबिया नाइजीरिया सऊदी अरेबिया यूएई वेनेजुएला
ध्यान देता हूँ ओपेक प्लस में रशिया वगैरह हैं तो
ओपेक प्लस में रशिया है हम
Okay. Now question आया which of the following statements are true regarding the प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना हमने किया था ब्लू रेवोल्यूशन के लिए है it's correct and envisages 5 to 20,000 crore in 5 years दोनों हमने किया right directly from PIB not a problem सही है ना
yes sir
answer is ठीक है ना so 47 answer is C ओके करण ये स्कीम की कर रखी है नो यस
यस सर कर रखी है सर
ठीक है ओके व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द पीएम केयर्स आई थिंक सारे ही सही हैं इसमें लेकिन एक बार देख लेते हैं पीएम केयर फंड वुड क्वालिफाई फॉर 80G बेनिफिट्स फॉर एग्जेम्पशन अंडर द इनकम टैक्स एक्ट करेक्ट नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम डोनेशंस टू पीएम केयर विल क्वालिफाई एज सीएसआर ये कंट्रोवर्सी है सबसे बड़ी ये क्यों किया गया है CSR आप सारे ही ले लोगे then PM cares are also got exemption under FCRA separate account भी foreign location so ये भी होगा so answer is D so 48 का answer है D okay which of the following statement is true regarding Atmanirbhar Bharat 40,000 crore increase in allocation correct borrowing limits 3 to 5% correct and then we have technology driven education post with equity post COVID correct so answer is D so 49 का आंसर है D अच्छा ये ध्यान रखना ये आत्मनिर्भर भारत प्रिपेयर करना है प्रॉपर्ली ये मेंस के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है इस पे मेंस आंसर प्रिपेयर्ड होना चाहिए ठीक है यू वुड एक्सपेक्ट अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस फ्रॉम मेंस ओके नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स ऑन Bose-Einstein condensate obviously known as the fifth state of matter the idea is that if you really cool down a material to a very high extent it behaves very differently it has some wave characteristics as well as particle characteristics right so this is how it is formed hollow spherical bubbles containing positron minus stable are postal sources correct so 50 का ठीक है ये ध्यान रखना कि Bose-Einstein condensate होता क्या है राइट इस पे क्वेश्चन आ चुका है Bose-Einstein static explain means अब आया क्वेश्चन ऑन SARS-CoV-2 which is the one so positive single sense strand DNA right RNA sorry not DNA correct intermediate animal reservoir pangolin था correct major entities are binding acceptance correct so maybe I repeat but I just wanted to because it's so important right? The interesting thing might be that because it is so important it might not come in the exam कि कोविड के बारे में कोई बात ही ना हो ठीक है ना ओके देन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर्स तुंगभद्रा मालप्रभा पंचगंगा भीमा आर ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ कृष्णा व्हाट डू यू से करण
सर all of these
yes correct
okay na 52 is ओके रिसेंटली हमने पब्लिश की थी स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया बर्ड्स रिपोर्ट राइट ये गांधीनगर में रिलीज हुई थी CMS COP13 में मोदी जी भी थे वहाँ पे फेरल पिजन रोज स्टार्लिंग ग्लॉसी बस स्टार्क डिक्लाइनिंग इंक्रीज हुआ है उल्टा है growth obviously has been observed in the Indian peacock. That is also correct, right? तो ये वाली 53 का एवरीबडी ओके विद दिस? क्या ये रिपोर्ट की थी सबने? थोड़ा बहुत देख लिया था इसको? हमने क्लास में थोड़ी सी की थी. करण, डिड यू कवर दिस?
Yes, sir. I've done.
Okay. Then which of the following statements is true regarding the ways and means advances recently in news? There are temporary loan facilities provided by RBI to the government to enable it to meet temporary mismatches between revenue and expenditure. It is guided by section 17,5 of RBI Act of 1934 and repayable in each case of not less than 3 months for making the advance. Both of them are correct. Okay. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट किसी को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let's start question number कौन सा है? 55. एक मिनट दो, give me a minute. अभी start दोबारा करते हैं. मैं पानी वानी लेके आ रहा हूँ. ठीक है, everyone?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, सब लोग हैं? Everyone? Okay. सौख्या, how are
Yes,
you?
sir.
अश्विनी, करण,
Hi, sir.
सब
Good
लोग हैं?
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sokya. Which question were we on? Remember that WTI had actually gone below $0. Negative में था, I think -$37 में पिका था. Does everybody remember that?
Yes, sir.
Negative crude oil prices. That was seen, right? So उसके बाद regarding question है WTI. West Texas Intermediate. This is the one which is actually produced in the US. So it refers to a grade of crude oil, right? Mix of crude oil or the spot price, the future price,
Yes, sir.
or the assessed price for the oil. This is correct, right? And WTI is quite lighter and sweeter than the Dubai or the Oman crude. That is correct. So the idea is sulfur content कम होता है and lighter and sweeter. So answer is. Okay. Then, which of the following statement regarding the true OPEC reference basket? Now, the OPEC reference basket is the weighted average of the petroleum blends by the OPEC countries. This is true. पहले सिर्फ 7 countries का होता था, but after that, I think 2015-16 से they started doing it for everyone. So this is correct. It is heavier, obviously it is, because of it has Dubai and all that, than the Brent and the Texas. Excuse me. Okay, so okay with this? ये शायद ना पता हो किसी को. This is not a question commonly asked. Okay. Then, which of the following countries are part of the GCC? That is the Gulf Cooperation Council. So remember, ये लोग नहीं हो सकते. Iraq and Iran. ईरान तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So 6 तो गया. ठीक है ना? क्यों? जहाँ सऊदी अरेबिया वहाँ ईरान नहीं हो सकता. Right? So this is not there. But उससे भी problem solve नहीं हो रही. We have UAE, Qatar, Oman, etc. Right? So with that, I think क्या आंसर होना चाहिए? Anybody? Anyone? So answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? ये prepare कर लेना. GCC news में था. So 57 D. ठीक है ना? Then there is a scheme of tour of duty in which youngsters have been asked to experience army life, right? So this is B. Choices were made that tour of duty is online gaming platform. Karan, what do you say? PUBG, Call of Duty है ना? हैं Karan, लोग तो बोलेंगे हाँ हाँ Call of Duty टिक करो, ऑनलाइन गेमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है ना? Okay, scheme for youngsters who travel to learn about Indian culture, volunteer as COVID Rakshaks. No. So answer is B. 58 is B. Then OECD, right? ये question आ सकता है. OECD are countries which are actually committed to democracy and market economy, and basically they're the rich countries of the world. At least $10,000 per capita income होनी चाहिए to be in OECD. 37 countries हैं, intergovernmental organization है. They recently did publish this report, right? So all of them are correct. Okay. They also have this PISA assessment for students. I think maybe that would have also made a choice. 59 का D. ठीक है. अच्छा, जैसे अब any of you जैसे तुम्हें ये सब कोई चीजें नहीं कर रखी हैं, प्लीज साथ में लिख लो ये टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करना है. Okay. Then FATF, this is again very important. ये पक्का प्रिपेयर कर लेना बिकॉज पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं उनको ब्लैक लिस्ट करने की एक्सेट्रा. सो FATF was formed in 1989 G7 summit. The problem they wanted to solve was money laundering. They added terrorism after the 9/11 attacks. So first two are correct. FATF standards हैं, recommendations हैं, they organize crime, corruption etc. prevent करते हैं. So this is also correct. So 60 is D. Then we have this question on the Epidemic Disease Amendment Ordinance. It was formed as 1897 में था, bubonic plague. इसके बाद ना वो I think Chapelkar brothers they killed one of the British residents there. Does everybody remember this history में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, the first revolutionary terrorism or revolutionary activities का start in India after this हुआ था, because it was very intrusive, right? It was promulgated on 22nd of April. 7 years for attacking doctors or health workers. All of them are correct. ठीक है? 61 is answer. और क्या क्या है? Anybody? Can somebody tell me what are the other features of the epidemics diseases ordinance 2020? Anyone? क्या इसमें आंसर लिखा है किसी ने? No? Anyone? Okay, try to write an answer on the features of the Epidemics Disease Amendment Ordinance Act and talk about whether it is enough. इस type का question आ सकता है. Okay. Next is which of the following statements true regarding the freedom in the world report 2020. So first statement is right in this. It measures the degree of civil liberties, political rights, right, around the world. Freedom in the world was not launched by Eleanor Roosevelt because 1973 में Eleanor Roosevelt जिंदा नहीं हो सकती. Remember, Roosevelt was the prime minister or the president of the United States during the World War. So, if nothing else, ये गलत होना चाहिए. The answer is 1. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ध्यान रखें. Which of the following statement is true regarding the United States Security Council? Each year, the General Assembly elects 5 non-permanent members for a 2-year term. Correct. It recommends General Assembly appointment of Secretary General according, together with Assembly, elects the judges of the International Court of Justice. Correct. ये काफी न्यूज़ में. Why? Because India has been elected as a non-permanent. Okay, next चलो. Which of the following can cause a gravitational wave? So कैसे हो सकता है? Anyone? How is a gravitational wave which of the following can cause? What do you say?
Sir, all of these.
All of these, right? So वैसे तो ठीक है. 2 black hole merging पे तो हमने देखा ही हुआ है. ये collision पे अभी recently हुआ है. और supernova पे तो हो ही सकता है. ठीक है ना? So 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. अच्छा. Then next question is which of the following are possible impacts of high physical deficit? Deflation, crowding out of private investment, increased burden of debt on future generation. What do you say? Like 2 and 3 तो है ही है. The only question is whether 1 is there or not. What say? Inflation होगी, deflation होगी physical deficit से. Karan, what do you say?
Deflation भी हो सकती है.
नहीं Karan, deflation क्यों होगी? Physical deficit पंजाब में बड़ा हाई है.
सर हाई टैक्सेस तो सर लोगों के पास पैसा ही नहीं होगा खर्चने के लिए.
टैक्सेस कहाँ से आ गए? डेफिसिट के बारे में बात हो रही है. किसने कहा टैक्स हो गए?
सर वो तो करेंगे ना टैक्सेस बढ़ा के.
ये assumption है तेरी, जरूरी नहीं है। फिजिकल डेफिसिट का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है विद टैक्सेस।
सर कुछ तो करेंगे, बोरोइंग्स तो होगी।
बोरोइंग से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है डिफ्लेशन का। अभी हम टॉकिंग अबाउट डिफ्लेशन। डिफ्लेशन इज कि फिजिकल डेफिसिट बेसिकली मींस मैं एक्स्ट्रा मनी थ्रो कर रहा हूँ मार्केट में जो मेरे पास है नहीं। इससे तो इन्फ्लेशन होगी ना, डिफ्लेशन नहीं होती। सो आंसर इज 65 इज बी। मतलब आराम से करण, मतलब जो पूछा है ना उसी पे रहे। अगर फिजिकल डेफिसिट के बारे में बात है तो वही है, नथिंग एल्स। ठीक है, डोंट मतलब इंटरलिंक ना कर चीजों में। ओके, जैसे रिसेशन में हाई इन्फ्लेशन होती है, दैट इज हाउ इट इज। ठीक है, आप जैसे आगे देखो, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स? It is a special type of investment which pools savings of people and diversifies them into widely diversified portfolio. Correct. Regulated by SEBI. I think both of them are fine. Easy question. कोई problem इस question में 66?
No sir.
Okay, WHO headquarter Geneva and United States withdraw कर रहा है next year. क्या सही है दोनों?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, ये ना थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लेना। WHO में ना आई थिंक क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड ऑन इट्स फंक्शंस एंड हाउ यू नो इट डज थिंग्स। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वगैरह पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, डीजी पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, कैसे इलेक्ट होता है एंड सो ऑन। ये प्रिपेयर करना है WHO का टॉपिक, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर प्रीलिम्स। Okay, आगे देखो, which of the following with reference to repo rate is correct? It is the rate at which scheduled commercial bank borrows money from the RBI. Both corporate and government securities can be used for transaction under the repo rate. हाँ जी बताओ, क्या कहते हो? Both of them, मतलब क्या government and corporate securities use हो सकती हैं for repo rate transaction?
सर corporate का डाउट है सर।
आओ देख लेते हैं।
सर एक सेकंड मुझे क्वेश्चन पढ़ने दीजिए सर, सिग्नल बहुत गड़बड़ चल रहे हैं, स्क्रीन पीछे रह जाती है।
अरे साइड पे PDF खोल लेना। क्या हुआ?
ओके सर,
PDF भी खोला हुआ साइड पे।
खुला है लेकिन मैंने वो देखा नहीं था, खोल के पहले से ही रख लिया था।
यार इतना यूजलेस नहीं यार, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का कुछ नहीं चलता। इनका एक्सप्लोर इतना बुरा है ना, क्या करूं। RBI
सर दोनों सही हैं सर।
हाँ सही तो दोनों है, जस्ट वांटेड टू ओपन। %4 किया था 20 सेकंड में। यार इन्होंने अभी तक ठीक नहीं किया। आई थिंक दे शुड हैव एक्चुअली रिड्यूस्ड इट इवन फर्दर। व्हाट डू यू से करण? ओरिजिनल का नहीं बताया हुआ इन्होंने, लेकिन करण दोनों ही होते हैं। आई थिंक उसमें मिल जाएगा ये इन आवर फेवरेट बुक रमेश सिंह वगैरह में। आंसर 68 का सी है। ठीक है, ओके। नेक्स्ट इज which of the following statements are true regarding the Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Act 2019? So which one do you say, Karan? ठीक है दोनों की नहीं? The act empowers the government to designate individual entities. ये तो सही है। दूसरी चीज है कि rank act empowers officers of the NIA of rank inspector above to investigate cases. Normal पुलिस में ना ये एटलीस्ट ACP होना चाहिए।
Yes sir, DSP।
हाँ राइट, तो यहाँ पे इंस्पेक्टर को भी अलाउ कर दिया, तो ज्यादा ही पावर दे दी है। तो आंसर इज सी। ओके, देन NPA 70th question, which of the following statements are true regarding NPA? Non-performing asset is a loan. Advancement for principal or interest payments remain overdue for a period of 90 days. Correct. Banks are required to furnish a report on NPAs on 31st March each year. Okay, next question, which is important. Attorney General has been in news, right? So Attorney General कौन होता है? So a person who's qualified to become the Supreme Court judge. So he's an attorney general, can become an attorney general. He has the right to audience in all courts. That is true, and he holds office at the pleasure of the president. कौन सा आर्टिकल है अटॉर्नी जनरल का? Can somebody tell me? 78. क्या कहते हो? अटॉर्नी जनरल का क्या आर्टिकल है? Anyone?
76.
76?
Yes.
Okay. Article 76. Okay. So just correct here. So Article 76 is here, right? Okay. आगे चलो. Then CAG पे क्वेश्चन है इसके बाद. देखो ध्यान रखना कि अटॉर्नी जनरल की रेन्यूमरेशन फिक्स नहीं होती, जितने मर्जी पैसे मांग सकता है वो. So which of the following statement is true regarding the office of the CAG? CAG shall be removed in the manner in the likes in the judge of the Supreme Court, correct? Shall not be eligible for further office, correct? Conditions of service of a person serving under the IAAS shall be made by rules made by the president, prescribed in consultation with the CAG, correct?
All correct, yes.
Okay, which of the following statement is true? Karan, आजा भाई. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Which of the following statements are true about recession? General fall in demand in economic activities. High inflation shows further signs of increasing fall in employment rate. हाँ जी.
Sir, high inflation तो नहीं है.
करण चल याद कर. हमने वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री पढ़ी है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, जर्मनी में जब रिसेशन था तो हाई इन्फ्लेशन थी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, समझ आ गया.
वो तो उन्होंने मॉनेटाइज किया था डेफिसिट को.
Doesn't matter. हाई इन्फ्लेशन होगी अगर रिसेशन है. जैसे इंडिया में भी हाई इन्फ्लेशन है ना. जैसे अभी आरबीआई बोल रहा है कि हम पैसे नहीं देंगे और क्यों? क्योंकि हाई इन्फ्लेशन है. But the reason for inflation is recession. ठीक है? Getting it? जैसे अभी देखा नहीं था कोविड के टाइम पे महंगा नहीं हो गया था सब कुछ. अरे कोल्ड ड्रिंक महंगी हो गई है, बाकी सब छोड़ो. कोक की पेटी 440 की आती थी, 500 की मिल रही है आजकल. हैं? Think about that. But everything there has been made expensive in this recession. Okay, which of the following statements are true regarding B.R. Ambedkar? Now, Ambedkar is important. Pune Pact वगैरह पे articles आए हुए काफी. So Ambedkar viewed Shudras as Aryans and admittedly rejected the Aryan invasion theory. Then he signed the Pune Pact with Madan Mohan Malviya. क्या correct है दोनों?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Interestingly, Pune Pact was signed between Ambedkar and Madan Mohan
सर
Malviya.
सेकंड का कुछ कंफर्म नहीं है.
मतलब गांधी जी ने साइन नहीं किया था, हिंदूज के लिए मदन मोहन मालवीय ने साइन किया था कि वी विल गिव. ठीक है, ये हुआ था. ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं. Hydroxychloroquine, medicine used to treat malaria, treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, etc. It is a nucleotide analog, specifically adenosine analog, which inserts to viral chain, causes their premature termination. Correct है दोनों? क्या ये हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्विन का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remdesivir next देखो. Broad spectrum antiviral tested as treatment for COVID. Correct. Side effects है इसके लिवर में एंजाइम्स बढ़ जाते हैं. पता होना चाहिए ये 76 का सी. नोजिया वगैरह भी होता है कुछ लोगों को. रेमडेसिविर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मेडिसिन है ये. Okay, which of the following states have borders between from दादर नगर हवेली नई यूनियन टेरिटरी बनी है, उसके कौन से बॉर्डर्स हैं? हाँ जी. राजस्थान, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश. यस करण.
सर राजस्थान तो नहीं होगा.
ओके, मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे से ना पूछ.
और सर मध्य प्रदेश भी नहीं होगा सर. गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र तो है ही सर.
2 and 3 only.
Okay, so So the idea is the question is just confusing. So 2 and 3 is the answer, right? 77 is B. Okay, then Rabi crops कौन सी है? बाजरा, wheat, barley, mustard में से?
सर 2, 3 and 4.
ठीक है ना? So बाजरा is a kharif crop. ये पता होना चाहिए. Okay. Normally rice, everybody knows, but bajra is also kharif crop. Okay, then आया Siberian ibex, इस पे न्यूज में था, ठीक है ना? So Himalayan ibex is in the trans-Himalayan ranges of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal, and snow leopard खाता है Himalayan ibex को. It is a distinct species from the Siberian ibex, correct? Right? Both of them are correct. ये न्यूज में था. क्या ये आर्टिकल पढ़ा था सबने हिंदू में?
Yes, sir.
ये मतलब न्यू हमारे मतलब द चैनल पे भी है, so please go through it. See, all these articles are there on our channel. ये ध्यान रखना, okay? Then obviously Uyghurs are in China. Match the following tribes and countries. Uyghurs are in China, obviously correct. Houthis are in Yemen. Okay, so this is incorrect. And Kurds are in Turkey. That's fine. So 1 and 3. So 80 is 1 and 3. C. Okay, FRBM Act. Which of the following statement is true regarding the FRBM Act? This is important because अभी बहुत बार हो रहा था कि exceptional circumstances में ना FRBM Act allows to borrow from the RBI. So ये statement 2 पर incorrect है, 1 is correct, right? So answer is A, 81. Exceptional circumstances में you can borrow from the RBI. Okay. Then LAF पे question है, which of the references the LAF, right? It's a facility extended to all the scheduled commercial banks, right? And LAF has been extended to cooperative banks also, urban cooperative banks, just to know, but in 2018. Operations of LAF are conducted by the way of repurchase. That's correct. So just these are just conceptual things, just to revise you कि ये होता क्या है, ठीक है ना? Right? If you want to make a tough question, you can very easily make. Okay, Deccani painting में देखना जरा question next. Arshdeep Singh Garewal, where are you? Are you there? ये हिंदोला रागनी पेंटिंग कोई बताएगा कैसी है? Anyone?
कृष्ण जी की
हिंदोला.
Yes,
हिंदोला
sir.
रागनी पेंटिंग. So basically, these are paintings of the Rag, right? And nearly everywhere you'll find these are there. Okay. So एक बार जरा रुको. So when we talk about Deccani School of Painting, right? So very famous paintings are there, right? So remember, Deccani paintings are sophisticated. They are being luxury. They are less interested in realism, and they have mystical and fantastic overtones. ये difference है उनका, right? So which are the types? Ahmednagar है. So as you can see, this is Taarikh-e-Hussaini Shahi, right? And so on. So ये Hindola Raga is from the Ahmednagar School of Painting. Okay, so that is why we are talking about this. Okay, so these are the paintings as you can see. Okay, so go through this. हमारे video है on this as well. Okay. Okay. And this is the question from the video itself. Okay, so answer is C, both of them. Deccani School had assimilated influence from Iran, Europe, and Turkey. And Hindola Raga obviously is Ahmednagar. Okay. Okay. So The painting of the flight of the Apsara is famous at Ajanta. I think everybody knows this. सबने देख रखी है Flight of the Apsara. Just to show you if I can, give me a second. I'm not sure इसमें है कि नहीं. I think so होगा. Flight of the Apsara. I think these. This is the one. There's the flight of the Apsara. Okay. This is in the Ajanta. Right? Okay. Then 85 Dehing Patkal National Park. ये नया है सबसे ज़्यादा. Does everybody remember कहाँ पे है ये? Yes. Karan, where is Dehing Patkal? Assam. ये important है. And कौन सी district में क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे? Any idea?
सर वो ऑयल वाला ब्लास्ट हुआ था ना यूसीएल का.
Okay. So this is in Dibrugarh, Tinsukia district of Assam. बिल्कुल कोने में है, next to Nagaland only, right? And largest stretch of lowland rainforest in India है, ठीक है? Project Elephant है, यहाँ पे Elephant Reserve भी है, right? And butterflies मिलती हैं काफी. क्या mammals, Hulok gibbon, slow loris, Assam tail macaque, capped elephant, ये सब, right? Capped langur, sorry. बंगाल, चाइनीज पैंगोलिन, हिमालयन बियर, ये सब मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. ये पता होना चाहिए, राइट? ऑब्वियसली ब्लू ईयर्ड किंगफिशर कितने क्यूट है, राइट? फ्लोरा वगैरह.
सर ये बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व भी है?
नहीं, ये उसका पार्ट नहीं है. Okay, next let's go. To right. (84A, 85D). Then we have National Mission on Quantum Technologies. 8,000 crore बजट में हुआ था. Quantum computers क्या होते हैं? They store information using qubits, unlike classical qubits. ठीक है ना? Right. So this is there. They are not measured compared to correct. So both. फिर कसार क्या होता है? इट्स अ हाईली मैग्नेटाइज्ड न्यूट्रॉन स्टार इमिटिंग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. करेक्ट. देन तुंगग्रुहा वोल्केनो फरवरी 19 में हुआ था, राइट? लैंडस्लाइड हो सकती है. ये कहाँ पे? इक्वाडोर में, ठीक है? ये पता होना चाहिए. देन 89 प्रेसिडेंट नॉमिनेट कर सकता है कहाँ राज्यसभा में. कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट नहीं होगा, बाकी सब में कर सकता है. सो 1, 3, 4 and 5. So answer is D, right? Then which of the following countries are the members of the SAARC? So which ones? Anyone? Can anyone try question number 19? SAARC के मेंबर कौन नहीं है? So you can see म्यांमार है यहाँ पे, तो SAARC का मेंबर नहीं है.
था.
So from that you know that ये गलत हो जाता है और ये गलत हो जाता है. अच्छा क्या? अब C और D में से बताओ कि अफगानिस्तान है SAARC का मेंबर कि नहीं है?
है
सर.
है?
यस.
That is it. तो ये काफी कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है बिकॉज इसमें इतने दे रखे हैं मैंने वो कि बंदा कंफ्यूज हो सकता है. ठीक है? Right? So, answer is 9. Okay. Then we have this question on volcanic activities. Okay. Parasite cone and caldera cone. क्या होते हैं भाई ये? 91 क्वेश्चन क्या कहते हो?
सर कालका तो सर लेक उसके ऊपर बन जाती है जब वो नहीं होता।
ओके
सर पैरासाइट कौन वो होता है जो उसके साइड में ग्रो करने लग जाता है, तो एक नया वेंट बन जाता है।
ठीक है। सी पैरासाइट कोन क्या होते हैं? जस्ट टू टेल यू, पैरासाइट कोन्स आर कोन्स ऑफ स्मॉल साइज developed due to deposit of volcanic material around newly formed vents or minor pipes on the outer surface of extensive cones, right? And क्यों ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं? Because they get material from the major pipes से, ठीक है, right? So second तो सही है, this is correct. Okay. Now the only question is caldera cone कुछ होता भी है क्या? सवाल ये है, ठीक है. So cedar cones होते हैं, ठीक है.
कैल्डेरा लेक होती है.
हाँ, कैल्डेरा क्या होता है? इनलार्ज फॉर्म ऑफ डिप्रेस और कोलैप्स फॉर्म ऑफ स्टीप फॉल्स इज कॉल्ड अ कैल्डेरा. तो कैल्डेरा कोन नहीं होता ही नहीं है कुछ, तो कुछ है ही नहीं, तो ऐसे ही है ये. आगे चलो, आंसर इज ए, सॉरी बी, ठीक है ना, 2 ओनली. ओके, कैल्डेरा कोन कुछ होता नहीं, सिडर कोन्स होते हैं.
यस.
ओके, आगे चलो. 92nd question. Yes. Now, Karan, what is 92nd? With reference to the cultural history of India, स्तूपा आर्किटेक्चर में कौन से फीचर होते हैं? तोराना, वेदिका, मंडपा, हर्मिका.
सब मंडपा तो टेंपल में ही होता है.
ठीक है. So मंडपा नहीं है, that means so we have answer becomes
A.
1, 2 and 4. Okay, then we have Ramanuja, famous saint. He preached that salvation, grace of God was more important, knowledge about him. He tried to link bhakti with tradition of Vedas. हाँ जी बोलो, ठीक है?
Yes.
ये हमने practice question में भी डाला था, right, on the group. So I think this is self-explanatory in there. वहाँ पे answers दे रखा है. 94th, D28. क्या कहते हो? अभी वैसे मिलने आई शेल्फ भी न्यूज में है.
सर ए.
हाँ, ए आंसर, ठीक है ना, राइट. मतलब मिलने आई शेल्फ भी मेल्ट हो रहा है, वो भी है. फिर मैरीटाइम म्यूजियम लोथल, आई थिंक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन.
यस सर.
ओके, देन नेशनल टेक्निकल टेक्सटाइल मिशन, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम. ये प्लीज कर लेना, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है.
सर इसके ऑप्शंस गड़बड़ है.
ऑप्शंस गड़बड़ है, क्या हुआ बताना.
सर फोर्थ है ये सर, फोर्थ.
अच्छा, ओ सॉरी. सो ओके, सो इसको ये हटा लो. 1, 2 and 3, तो ए आंसर हो गया ना. मतलब व्हाटएवर इट माइट बी, ऑप्शन कैन बी टिक्ड, राइट, ए. ठीक है. अगर 4 नहीं भी है तो भी मतलब द आइडिया दैट 1, 2 and 3 टिक किया जा सकता, तो ए आंसर. वैसे इसको मतलब इसमें वैसे वो हो जाएगा ना, जैसे 1 ओनली, सॉरी 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 1 and 3, ऐसे कर लेंगे ना. ओके. 97. Which of the following statements is true regarding the Swadeshi movement?
सी सर.
Both of them? Okay. 97 का सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखो. मॉडरेट कौन है? अरविंदो घोष तो मॉडरेट कभी नहीं हो सकते, कांटा मारो, राइट. फिरोज शाह मेहता ऑब्वियसली मॉडरेट. और कौन है? गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, राणा देवी ऑब्वियसली, ठीक है ना. आंसर इज डी. देन वी हैव द डेक्कन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले ने स्टार्ट की थी? नहीं, गलत है, राइट. अगरकर जी ने स्टार्ट की थी, right, along with other people. It is campaign land revenue settlement. नहीं, दोनों 99 का D. Then Crips India mission. We had active cooperation. हाँ जी.
सी दे रखा सर आंसर की में.
क्या दे रखा है?
सी.
गलत है. डी है, डी. सी तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना. लैंड रेवेन्यू सेटलमेंट का एजुकेशन सोसाइटी को रिलेशन नहीं है. Consider the following statements regarding Cripps mission. Active cooperation to India, ठीक है. Dominion status देने का प्लान था, मुस्लिम ने रिजेक्ट किया था. सारे सही 100 का है. ओके, यहाँ तक एवरीवन. तो करण कितने सही हो रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स दिख रही हैं, ये देख ले.
सर थोड़ी सी सिली मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं सर. बाकी सर काफी टॉपिक्स तो सर ऑलमोस्ट ये सारे पढ़े हुए थे.
ठीक है. देख, ध्यान रखना है, मतलब क्वेश्चन पढ़ के, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक अ इजी टेस्ट. ठीक है ना, बिकॉज आइडिया इज आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी रादर देन जस्ट टू, मतलब मैं तुम्हारा गलत करवाऊं क्वेश्चन, वो तो मैं करवा ही सकता हूं इफ आई वांट टू मेक देम कंफ्यूजिंग. बट ओके, विद दिस आई थिंक लेट्स स्टॉप हियर.